Hi, my name is Jack Triplett, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about receptacles and electricity dealing with the receptacle. The first thing to always remember is your safety. Safety comes first. You always look out for yourself before you look out for other people, because you always want to be the one that's always going to go back home to your family or your loved ones. A receptacle is pretty basic. You have two gold screws, you have two silver screws on the left side, and you have a green screw. Your green screw indicates your common wire. Your two gold screws indicate your black wire, which is your hot wire. You have two silver screws, which indicate your white wire, which is your neutral wire. Your neutral wire is not hot. Your black wire will be. Your ground is just a ground that if there's a fault anywhere in the receptacle, it will cancel itself out. Your most common plugs are mainly take 120 volts. That's your basic voltage for a receptacle. 240, 480 are for different parts of the electrical field. 120 volts is pretty dangerous, but to check a receptacle, you need to kill your main breaker to the appliance that you're working on. To double check yourself, you can take your meter, you can turn it to volts. You can stick one prong in here and one prong in the other side of your receptacle. Your receptacle will usually read anywhere from 10 to 17 volts after you've killed the power. You always have a little feedback going through it. It's not really any volts in there. You can't even really feel the volts. 120 is known to grab you. It kills more people each year than any voltage out there. It's not really the volts that kill you, but it's the amperage in the wire that kills you. The most common thing why you have changed receptacles is over time they get outdated and get really old. The wire might get brittle and break. You could have an arc in it. Another thing is you can overheat a plug. If you overheat a plug, you might burn a wire out, which causes house fires. That's where a lot of houses burn down. It's from overheating wires, or you might have a nick in the wire and the wires touch and spark. But in conclusion, all around, I think electricity is a pretty good field. I'm in the electrical field myself. I enjoy it. I've always worked on it. I've been working on it probably since I'm 15 years old. I expect to graduate in May, but if not, I will presume my second year of school.